What up everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Sky. If you're new around here, we unbox and review epic random stuff you didn't know you needed. Today we have a new ARTISAN keycap maker in town. They're relatively very small, out of Vietnam, and we will be unboxing and reviewing what they sent us. Stick around, let's check it out. Okay, let's open this up. Alright, this packaging is very old school. This is really cool. I was gonna cut it, but it makes me feel like I'm opening a package from the 1800s or something. Bruh. Hey, what is this? It's starting to look like a ski bag or nose bag or something, man. I'm suspicious right now. Oh, this is a different packaging than what we're used to. Very lightweight aluminum case, it seems. So as you can see, their logo there, VITKY. So it's kind of wrapped in a nylon. Looks like some sort of galaxy work. Oh, this looks nice. This is very neat. Very nicely detailed, very highly polished. I'm very shocked for a small ARTISAN keycap maker to be making this quality work. They also don't sell them that expensive. I don't recall seeing anything more expensive than $25 or $30, which is really cheap for artisans. And remember your Cherry MX stem here. You can see the VK logo in there for VITKYs. Alright, so let's put this one to the side and let's see what else we got. And let's open this one up. Alright, so this one's really cool as well. So this is the American flag on the moon. So this is the lunar flag assembly from the Apollo program back in the 60s. Again, I'm very surprised by the quality and how polished these keycaps are. Very impressed for a small keycap maker like VITKY's. So well done. Let's put this one to the side and let's see at the third and last one. And I'm trying, oh, okay, I see some Marvel stuff right here. This is the Eye of Agamotto. So if you don't know what this is the necklace on Doctor Strange on the Marvel movies. Wow, very cool. Again, highly polished, impressed with the work. I like how these keycaps have a small indentation right there. It makes them a little bit different. It looks very nice. It gives it that square look right there if you see the borders. And I believe all of them are like that. And again, you know, remember your Cherry MX stem, and again the VK logo there. Very nice keycaps right here. I have to say I'm quite impressed by the job they did on this. Let's put them on the keyboard and see how they look. But before we start, I know my keyboard is crazy. Alright, so now that we have them in, I have to say they look very cool, very different than everything else that I have. Very shiny, very glossy, cool looking, very nice. Alright, and this is how they look with the lights off. The Eye of Agamotto looks really cool with the lights off. And remember everyone, if you're interested in any review on any of the keycaps that are here on this keyboard, they are all available on the channel. Alright everyone, so that was it for the VK ARTISAN keycaps. I really hope that I was able to bring them to your attention. For such a small keycap maker out of Vietnam, I really believe they're doing a phenomenal job. These keycaps seem very well done, highly polished, and it seems like they put a lot of effort into making them. They are also very fairly priced considering how much artisans are out there. These go for about $25 to $35, I believe. So you can't really go wrong with wanting to get your first artisan from somebody like this. They definitely earned a spot on my keyboard, which I will continue to make that keyboard look even crazier as we keep adding keycaps to it. Other than that, if you're new around here, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. It means the world to me. And remember everyone, be kind to one another.